This 2024 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 66 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.